Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna curl my hair with these straws. They are pretty thick, thicker than the ones I used before, and I just want to test it. I want to try sleep on it and check out what curls I'm gonna get. So continue watching with me. And before you start watching, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. To do the hair and to actually curl them, I use a water spray. Naturally, the curly hair, they're not growing in one direction, they're growing in different directions. That's why it looks funky, cool, and fresh. So yeah, you need to create it in different directions. And here are the straws which I'm cutting. My mom is cutting for me because I want to sleep on them. And yeah, I didn't know how I'm going to feel until I do now. Right now when I'm recording it, it was a horrible night. So I never recommend doing that and repeating that. If you want to do this experiment, do it during the day. Morning everyone, it's time to take this one off. I slept with it. It was a bad night because I didn't sleep very well. I couldn't sleep on this. This is really hard to sleep on. It's better to wear it during the day. So I'm removing it, and here we are. So I start to remove my straws from the back to the front. So here what I've got, this is, wow, looks very different from what I got before. It's much bigger. And to spread them. By spreading, I don't mean brushing, I just want to spread them into like two. This is what I've got, so I'm going to just So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed my video and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.